Hello, welcome to another Airsoft video. Today I'm playing with Airsoft Waikato Inc. at the Kerepere field. I've just condensed down the first couple of games we had and got rid of the slow walks back to spawn and the waiting between minor engagements. Please enjoy some Airsoft gameplay.
Nice big fucking conga line, thanks!
Alright, conga line, let's go. I'm in the front. Oh, I'm second.
Oh, I'm in the front.
You're in the front.
I can actually hide behind you. I'm not You feel like stuff for you.
You can't make me famous.
Ja, dude, ja, dude. We gaan met vergaan.
Crow fly straight.
This here's the first half of the first game. Part 2 will be coming out when it's done. When that will be, I have no idea. But the first game we played is called Ghost Ships. Any Kiwi's gonna get that reference. And the rules are pretty simple. Play it out like a regular team deathmatch. But when a player dies, they take a chip from their team's pool of chips and put it in the bucket. When you run out of chips, instant game over.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck! Still in! Bang! Sweet!
That was a good push.
Dude, we just got this. We see them all come over that way. I'm just going to give them a chance.
By the left, grey hoodie!
Grey hoodie on the top ridge up there, watch out! Bang, 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 bang! Hit, hit!
That good?
Whew. Whew. Back in! Hit! Hit! Ow! Back in! Oh shit! Oh yeah, the sound guy up there, I guess. Cool.
Dead man walking!
Oh yeah, sweet! Oh yeah. How many? Alright, cool. Whoa! Go, go, go. I said, who fucking... I got a little scared. What happened? Damn. Thank you very much.
Back in.
Back in.
Ah, good.
You, bro.
Is that a green gun?
Green, yeah.
Yeah? I have no idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make for a cool video, I hope.
Oh, hopefully. Where we going? What are we doing?
I'm going to run out into the open.
Yeah.
And draw all their fire at me.
Yeah.
You go over that, you know that little hill in the middle of the field?
Yes, I do.
You go over there and fuck them up. They're hiding in the
Alright,
ditch.
sweet.
Cool?
Yeah, so I'll be swinging far right and then going north forward.
Top tree.
Top tree, top tree!
Alright, this might make it difficult, but fuck it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna be keen in like 2 minutes. Or 1 minute, I should say. Right, ready to rock, let's go.
Hold up. He's gonna fuck this guy because he's gonna fuck us over. Top left! On your top left! Ready? So you're gonna go right?
Yeah, I'm going right. Oh. Go, now's a chance. Game! Hey, can you shoot me in the chest with your pistol real quick? Can you? I'll go that way. I'm not sure if I can feel it.
You wanna use a pistol?
No, could you shoot me in the chest? I want to go over this way a bit more though.
Okay.
Go! Ow! Ow! That's not my chest!
It's a headshot thing!
There we go, okay, it's not too bad, down the back. Okay, it's not too bad. Yeah! I want to die! Yeah.
Smack you in the face just in case I hadn't got you the first time.
Okay.
I fucking love this game mode.
When you come up over here. Right, I got him. He like called his hit, and one went from me right in the face.
Ooh.
Nice.
Ouch.
There's my ghost chip, you ghost.